In the spacious workshop, the SSMS non-woven fabric production equipment stands like a modern industrial sculpture quietly towering. Its size is so massive, even though it is not yet in operation, you can still feel its solid power. Every metal line, every seam, conveys unmatched precision and strength. Even though the machine has not started yet, you can imagine the raw materials being quickly transformed into white, smooth non-woven fabric when it's running at full capacity. The production line runs smoothly, with every minute engaged in highly precise manufacturing. Whether it's the transport of raw materials, fiber spray molding, or the neat output of finished products, everything will be orderly. Efficiency and quality are pursued to their fullest here. As you approach the machine, the control panel catches your eye with its clear and tidy display screen. The electrical cabinets are neatly arranged, with every detail reflecting intelligent design. Operators only need to lightly touch the screen to precisely control every parameter and adjust the machine's operating mode. However, this is not just the all brought by high technology. You know that behind this machine is a team of professional technicians. They are like the sculptors of the machine, ensuring every piece of equipment undergoes strict adjustments before delivery. From the precision of fiber spraying, production speed, to the fine-tuning of temperature and pressure, all parameters are optimized to the best condition. This ensures that every piece of non-woven fabric meets the highest These non-woven fabrics are widely used in the medical field for the production of surgical gowns, masks, and medical dressings. They provide essential protection and comfort for doctors, nurses, and patients. In personal care, it is the core material for baby diapers, sanitary pads, and wet wipes. It is soft and breathable, ensuring a comfortable experience for users. In agriculture, nonwoven fabrics are used as mulch film and protective nets, safeguarding crops from external contamination. Even in construction and home furnishing, it serves as excellent insulation material, filtration material, and home decor fabric. It plays an irreplaceable role. This SSMS non-woven fabric production equipment will bring changes to various global sectors, meeting needs in healthcare, protection, personal care, and more. Every time it starts, it provides high-quality materials for numerous industries, helping to solve complex production and supply challenges.